Hi friends, it's Udhaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. I'm pretty excited guys. I have added solar water fountain to my deck garden. So I thought it would be fun to share it with you guys how it looks quickly. And I will share how I assembled and how they look after a couple of weeks. So excited, so I thought I will share it with you guys.
What if I just blocked it?
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Please support my channel by subscribing, commenting and sharing it with your friends.